Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft, Frame Quilling Art, Thursday Lives. How are you doing today? Sorry, I changed time today because every day my son goes for cross country practice, and every day my husband go to pick and drop. But today he had some work, office work, so I had to go and pick him, drop him up and pick him up. That's why I changed today's live time. So let's start. First, let me show you my finished frame. You must remember that I think last week or before that, I asked you which portrait should I make. So most of the people uh, said that I should make portrait tree. I don't know if you remember, but I will show you. I made that lady portrait. I finished it today. So this is the portrait. So I just quilled hairs. You can see. So I made eye shapes and I glued those eye shapes as a hair. Previously, I thought I will also do quilling for eyes, but I tried. It was not looking good, so I removed eye quilling for eye. So now I just did uh, quilling for hair only. Let me know how is it. Hi, Hi, Preeti. How are you? Thank you. I'm glad you like it. So this week I did that, and this weekend, coming weekend, means tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'm going to participate in Dog Market online craft show. It will be on Facebook, and in the description, I gave you the link. If you want to buy something, not just quilling, but you will have crochet item, some different cards, pillows, jewelry, lot of different things. So you can just check it. It will start tomorrow evening, and it will be till Saturday afternoon. And you can go and check anytime that you want. There are a lot of nice things to see and nice things to buy. So don't forget about that. Today, I am going to show you how to make one different kind of flower. So let me add my another camera. Okay. I am also doing good, Preeti. Are you doing crochet right now or you are just watching it? So for these flowers, I am going to use pink and white strips. As I told you, in all my lives, you can choose any colors that you want. So let's make some coils first. We are going to make 2 teardrops and 1 eye shape. So if you are new, let me show you how to roll it. This is slotted tool. Insert the strip inside the slot, hold it like this and roll it. Roll it gently, don't press these fingers like this. And I'm going to make size 3 circles. You may have different sizes for your circle, so I'm going to make 2 size 3 pink color coils. And if you want, you can just use one color or different colors. I am using pink and white. So you need two, for one petal, you need two pink color strips and one white color strip. And I'm going to make two big teardrops and one small eye shape. So I'm going to make size 4 eye shapes. So these coils are done. Let's make eye shape. So this is the coil. Hold coil like this. This is open part. Move this center opposite to open part and pinch it like this and put glue. Oops. Okay. So this is teardrop. Let's make one more teardrop. So this is your loose coil. Move center opposite to the open part and pinch it like this. And then glue it. Now we are going to give curve shape to this teardrop. It's very easy. Hold teardrop like this and just bend the top part. So this is curved teardrop. So let's make one more curved teardrop like this. So we have two curved teardrops. Now with small coil, we are going to make eye shape. So hold coil like this and pinch from both sides and then put glue. Now what I am going to do, so this is eye shape, put glue on both sides of eye shape like this. Now take one teardrop and glue it like this. Keep tiny bit teardrop out and glue, keep tiny bit eye shape down and put the teardrop like this. Other side also do the same thing. Glue teardrop like this. Now take one white strip. We are going to wrap that white strip around these three shapes. Put glue and wrap whole strip around it. Hold it for a few seconds and then bring these teardrops together and wrap it like this. So wrap whole strip around it and then tear the excess strip and glue it. So this is one petal. You need to make 5 more petals. So we are going to use 6 petals to make the flower. Now let's glue the petals together. Take your board, take some pins. Now put glue like this. So now take one petal and put glue. Take pin, push pins like this. Now take another petal, put glue, use pins. Like this, you can glue all petals. If you want, you can use 5 petals or 6 petals. Let me see how many petals I need. I think I'm okay with 5 petals. Yes. So this is the flower. Now we have to make one small tight coil for middle part. So I think I will use white color. I'm going to make one tight coil with white color strip. So take strip, insert strip inside the slot and roll it. Now put glue. Hold it for a few seconds and then remove it. Now these petals are a little bit wet, so I'm gonna remove these pins carefully and glue this tight coil in the middle and let this dry completely. I'm not going to remove all pins, otherwise the petals will move, but let me show you just like this how your flower will look like. The flower will look like this. So you can use different colors and make different color flowers. You can use this flower as a magnet, or you can decorate a photo frame, or you can use these flowers on the card. Tomorrow, after some time, I will take a picture of this flower and I will post that picture tomorrow so that you will see in detail how the flower looks like. So that's it for today. I hope you like this flower and I hope you enjoy seeing my quilling. If you want to learn something specific, you can always send me message. I will try to show you how to make that small project. So don't forget about tomorrow and day after tomorrow. I'm participating in online craft show. You can see the link in the description box. So till next time, good night and happy quilling. Bye.